Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. The Food and Agriculture Organization has warned that about 34.7 million Nigerians, including IDPs, could face acute food insecurity by June 2026 if urgent actions is not taken. The report presented on Friday in Abuja showed that 650,730 persons in Borno, Sokoto, and Zamfara state may experience crisis or worsen. A condemned inmate identified as Abba Hassan has escaped from the maximum security custodial center in Potoskum, Yobe State. The police command confirmed the incident in a public notice issued on Saturday. The Gombe State Youth Parliament on Saturday launched the campaign against drugs and other social atrocities to curb the rising cases of drug abuse, cultism, cybercrime, gender-based violence, and other social vices among youth people in the state. Now, insecurity. Gunmen attack Damakasua in Chawe of Kauru local government area of Kaduna State, kill about 7 people on Friday. Nigerian troops of Operation Hadinkai have recorded significant success in the ongoing counter-terrorism operations, killing several terrorists and securing key locations across Borno State. The Media Information Officer Sani Uba, a lieutenant colonel, in a statement on Saturday. Panic has gripped commuters and residents in Kogi State following the abductions of several travelers by suspected kidnappers along the Aitobe-Lokoja highway. Now, politics. We will take back Zamfara from PDP in 2027, Yari vows. Abuse of power, assault on democracy, Atiku blasts Governor Bago over students' arrests. PDP reveals next line of actions as courts stop national conventions. Youth in Bida local government area of Niger State have voiced strong dissatisfactions over alleged irregularities that marred the just concluded council elections in the area. The aggrieved youth were seen pelting stones at billboards bearing image of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Governor Umar Bago, and other political figures. The protesters accused the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) of manipulating the election results and depriving the peoples of their rightful choice. Now, from the international scene. Russian President Vladimir Putin boasts of a new weapon and announces the successful test of a torpedo capable of destroying coastal cities and rendering them uninhabitable. A blast at a supermarket in the northwestern Mexican state of Sonora has killed at least 23 people, including children, and wounded at least 11, according to local officials at the weekend. A man with a large knife is believed to have been shot with taser by police after going on a bloody rampage on a high-speed train after it left Peterborough stations. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.